Okay, Max. The first thing I see is that you don't have a quote. Okay, that you have to have a quote. If this is your quote right here, a true friend is someone who gives you freedom to be yourself. You need to make sure that you, number one, use quotation marks, and then you also have to give credit for who said the quote. So you have to know the author, or you at least need to reference the website you got the quote from. Okay, if that is not a quote, then come up with a quote. All right. So the other thing I noticed is that we do have. Oops, I'm not going to be able to get to your last paragraph. That was my mistake. Let's see if we can make it smaller. That's a little small. So I'll keep it bigger until I need to get to your last paragraph. Okay. It says a true friend is someone who gives you freedom to be yourself. A true friendship has honesty for your relationship as friends, from being honest of what they did or why you did. You can lie, do something, but the friend will always find out and have a bad friendship. It will mostly be awful to your friend and yourself because it will have no trust to even express your own feelings. A honest person is a person that is mostly like your brother. It is your best friend. It could also be someone who actually have things in common. Okay. Okay, so you do explain the quote about being not lying, being honest, and then you explain what a true friend is. It's like your brother. Okay, I like that. Okay, but we don't have a thesis. Okay, so we need to have a thesis, and I'm going to help you with that in a second here. Okay, but the first thing I want you to do is take the second person out. There's second person, even if there's second person in your quote, when you explain the quote, you don't want it to have second person in it. You, okay, you is second person point of view. This is a personal essay. Should have the I in it. Okay, it's your perspective. So a true friendship has honesty for your relationship. Same here. It's your is second person. Okay. True friendship means being honest with each other. Okay. If I lie, if I do, so you could change this. You can lie, do something, but the friend will always find out. Friends who lie to each other. So you either put it in third person and bring first person in, or put it all in first person. Okay. If I lie to my friends, they will always find out. Okay. It's the most awful feeling to have friends that don't trust you, or to trust me. It's an awful feeling when my friends don't trust me. So you want to change it into first person. Get the you out of there. Okay. The other thing that we're missing is a thesis. Up here I can see that you're going to talk about being honest, you're going to talk about being caring, and you're going to talk about being fun. So if you're talking about being honest up here, this does not belong in your introduction. This is a body paragraph all its own. Okay. So I can see that you're kind of mixing your introduction and your first body paragraph together. Okay, so at the end of your conclusion, at the end of your introduction, if this is your introduction right here, okay, you're going to want to put your thesis very clearly. Okay, something like this. I am a true friend because I am honest, caring, and fun to be around. Okay, so those are the 3 things you're going to talk about. You're going to want to put that at the end of your intro, and you're going to want to take everything you say about honesty up here, and you're going to want to push it down to its own paragraph. Now you're going to have to explain more so how you're honest. I can see that your paragraphs are very small, which means you lack evidence. Okay, so your second paragraph, your first paragraph should talk about being honest, which you haven't mixed up with your intro. Caring. A friend has to always be caring for each other. It will be more caring if you help out. Once again, get the second person out of there. You could start out with a topic sentence like this. One trait that makes me a true friend is that I am caring. Okay. If you help out your best friend, it is important a friend knows you care, because then something happens, who is going to be there for him? Caring is the most important. Okay, you don't give any specifics. I want examples, okay, of you being caring. Prove to me you're caring, okay? For example, give a situation, explain a situation when you were caring for your friend. What happened to him? How did you respond? How were you there for him? Prove to me you're caring. Show me. Okay, so you need to give examples that you are caring. Provide evidence. Okay, show me. Show me through your actions that you are caring. Okay, so you need to give some examples. All right, some good examples. You know, 2 or 3 sentences is not a paragraph. Okay, a friend has to always be fun. Okay, you know, transition. Along with being caring, I am also great to hang around with because I am fun. Okay, fine. Topic sentence. You tie it to the rest of your paragraph with being caring, and then you mention that you're fun. Okay, so if it is part of having them not get bored of you or know you for who you are, whether you are lazy, bored, or fun. Fun could also be go for sometimes, but it is not mostly about you, that you can hang, play games on Facebook and get them to have a good laughter. A friendship of fun is the best part of hang, like if they have the same sport you like. Okay, once again, you're not providing any evidence. Show me through your actions that you are fun. What do you do with your friends that make you a fun person to hang out with? Okay, some examples. Remember, when you say that you have a character trait, we need to see it through your actions. Don't just tell us, because we're not going to believe you. All right, that's the way writing is. You have to prove what you say, and you do that through examples, by showing us that you're caring, by showing us that you're fun to be around, not just by telling us. Okay, just like your friends judge you. You can't always just tell your friend, "Hey, I'm fun, I'm fun, I'm fun." You have to do things with them to prove that you're fun. All right. So hopefully that helps you. Let's take a look at your last paragraph. I'm going to make this smaller. Sorry about this, but I need to make it smaller to fit the window that I have. Okay. Some friendships mean everything to anyone because of their company or loyalty. Every friendship has a meaning. Okay. So I'm not sure what we're talking about here. Are we talking about being honest, caring, or fun? So this paragraph has to be one of those things, because that's what you mentioned in your thesis. Okay. A friendship could be hard to take away and express your feelings when they separate. It will be hard to know you now care unless you have to talk about you. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. All right. I don't know if it's your conclusion or what it is. But, okay, I don't know. Okay. Your conclusion would say something like this. You know, I am being a true friend is important to me. I am caring. I am honest, caring, and fun to be around. These traits make it easy for me to be a good and true friend. Okay, something like that would be your conclusion, okay? So what I need from you, Max, is I need you to write an introduction that starts with a quote, reference your quote, explain your quote, okay, and then write your thesis statement that I give, that I help you out with right here, okay? I am a true friend because I am honest, caring, and fun to be around. That's going to be your thesis statement at the end of your introduction, all right? Okay, so that's going to be your thesis statement somewhere. I'm going to write that so you don't forget, okay? Or so it's more clear to you. Okay. Then I need you to come up with some, you know, that's going to be your 3 paragraphs are going to be about you being honest. Your first paragraph is going to be about you being honest. Your second paragraph is about you being caring. And the third paragraph is about you being fun. And you need to provide explicit examples of each one of these characteristics. All right? Don't just tell me about it. Show me each one through examples and through your actions. All right? So I want you to rewrite, and I want to see a better paper the second time you do it. If you need help, please come up and I will help you if this video is not enough. But make sure you take my suggestions from the video to help you out. Also look at my sample paper of how I accomplish these things in my paper. All right, good luck.